Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmeet from Bombastic Nail Art, and today I have this Born Pretty 2-in-1 dipping powder. It is holographic powder. The shade name is Ears and the code is BPHGP06. It works as a dipping powder as well as a acrylic powder. I really like the fact about these powders. They are 2-in-1 and they actually works. So this is the holographic effect. There are micro hexagon flakes in this powder. So I am very eager to try it. So let's try it for the dipping effect first. I am going to apply this Born Pretty dipping base first. Powder. Wow, it's simply amazing. There are multiple size glitter flakes in it. Let's apply one more coat. Effect, and let's apply the activator now. The best thing about these dipping powders for nail extension is you can do your right hand nails very easily, very perfectly. I really like the fact that I can do my nails, both hand nails, really well with these dipping powder system. So let's apply the top coat now. It's the dipping top coat. Let's apply it. It's really very mesmerizing. Very holographic and perfect. They dry very quickly. You can do your nails quickly if you are in hurry and want to go for the party and there is no chance of smudging your nails. I love this. So let's see how it looks in carving. Let's use it with acrylic liquid. This is how it looks without flash. A bundle of glitter flakes in different size. I hope you all like my review for this 2-in-1 Born Pretty dipping powder and acrylic powder. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And do comment if you like anything. I am also going to share a video on doing nail extension on both hands with this dipping powder system. So press the bell icon and watch my all new videos. Thank you friends. Bye bye.